The following video will show you how to set up the Falcon GSM communicator to work with the Paradox panel. Make sure that the Falcon unit has a firmware version of 4.13 or later. The MyFalcon app is compatible with the Paradox MG and SP series panels. Connect the Falcon to the Paradox panel through the serial port using the serial cable and adapter marked Paradox provided. Note that the adapter must be connected to the panel serial port with the adapter board on the left and the black ground wire on top. Set the serial port format on the Falcon unit to Paradox. To do this, remove power from the Falcon. Hold down the push button and reapply power. Push the button to cycle through the panel serial port format options until you reach the Paradox format indicated by a capital letter P. Release the button. The Falcon will remember the new serial port format. No programming is needed for the panel to work with the app. To connect the panel to the MyFalcon app, go to your phone's App Store. Search for MyFalcon and tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app. Scroll through the welcome screens by tapping the arrow and select Get Started. Tap Sign Up and enter your personal details to create an account. Enter a password that is secure, but one that you will remember, and tap Submit. Log in with these new details. After reading through this notification, tap OK. Tap Add Panel. Once you've completed all the steps on the screen, tap Continue. Tap on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code found on the sticker at the back of the Falcon. Tap Confirm. Tap Continue. Tap to set device up. Enter your user code. This is the code you use to arm and disarm your panel on the keypad. MyFalcon is just retrieving information from the panel. This should take no longer than 60 seconds. You're now at the partition screen where you can perform various actions on your alarm system. To test the app, arm and disarm the panel.